Setting the mood like a light in a smoky room, dancing to the blues like a disco groove, catching every eye. When I saw you looking at me with a smile like you wanted me, said, boy, come on, will I break, be gone? I just had to try. You just move, baby, move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? Got me on my knees, on my feet. You can take me to the left, baby, take me to the right. You can take me for the rest of my life. Just move, baby, the way you move is moving me. What can I do? Follow along in your hips, the heartbeat song, the flowing dress in your hair. 'Cause it ain't fair, whatever you do, just don't stop. You just move, baby, move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? Got me on my knees, on my feet. You can take me to the left, baby, take me to the right. You can take me for the rest of my life. Just move, baby, the way you move is moving me. Just move, baby, move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? You got me on my knees, on my feet. You can take me to the left, baby, take me to the right. You can take me for the rest of my life. Just move, baby, the way you move is moving me. The way you move is moving me.
Let's learn Take Me to the Left. It's choreographed by Wendie Smith. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 5 after 12 counts and a tag on the end of wall 9. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the tag, and then we're going to go through and do 10 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Take Me to the Left. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the left with a step together. So you're going to step your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left foot to the side, and step your right next to your left. Weight is going to be on both feet. We're going to slightly bend our knees, and now we're going to swivel both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right, and now when we swivel both toes to the right, you're going to square up to 12 o'clock and put your weight onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right. You're doing your grapevine together. 1, 2, 3 together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weights right. Section 2, we're going to do left and right toe drops forward. So you're going to take your left toe, touch it forward, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do that with the right. Touch your right toe forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right. Do it with your left toe forward, drop your heel, right toe forward, drop your heel. And you want these to slightly travel forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on our right, you're doing your toe drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a left K-step with a quarter turn. So you're going to step your left foot forward into that left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. We're going to step our right foot back where we just came from and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side and touch your right next to your left. You're now facing 9 o'clock. Step your right foot to the side and touch your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your left quarter turning K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a V step. So you're going to step your left foot forward and into that left diagonal. You're going to step your right foot out to the right diagonal. You're going to step your left foot back and then step your right foot next to your left. When you come back, you want to make sure that your feet are about shoulder width apart. We're now going to bump our hip twice to the left and bump your hip twice to the right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We're going to do our V step. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weights on your right foot. You're doing your grapevine to the left, so it's side behind, side together, heels, toes, heels, weights right, toe, drop, toe, drop, toe, drop, toe, drop, K-step, forward diagonal touch, back, touch, quarter turn, touch, side, touch, V-step, out, out, in, bump your hip twice left, twice right. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that right foot, grapevine to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 5. It will be the second time that you're doing the front wall. You're going to dance the first 12 counts, which is up to your first set of your toe drops. So weights on your right foot, you're going to do your grapevine to the left. You're going side behind, side together, heels, toes, left toe drop, right toe drop. Right here, you're going to restart the dance doing your grapevine to the left with your step together. That will become wall 6. You will go around until you hit wall 9. Wall 9 will be our 3 o'clock facing wall. You will dance the full 32 counts to the front, and then your tag is going to be adding a second set of the hip bumps that we do to the left and the right to end the dance. You're just going to repeat the last 4 counts of the dance and then start all over again. So what that would look like is we would come here finishing our K step. You're going to do your V step, and then your bump to the left and bump to the right would be your 32 counts. Then we're going to add to the left and to the right, and then you'll go into your grapevine to the left. So it'll be nice and easy to remember because everything happens facing the front. So it's an easy way to remember where those restarts and tags are happening. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your right foot. We're going to do 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice the tag into the next wall as well as that restart. So grapevine to the left, it's side behind, side together, heels, toes, toe drop, toe drop, toe drop, toe drop, K-step, quarter turn. Now your V step, go out, out, in, bump your hip twice left, twice right, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine with a step together, heels, toes, left toe, drop right toe, drop left toe, drop right toe, drop K-step, step, touch, back touch, quarter turn, touch, side touch, V-step, out, out, in, bump your hip twice left, twice right, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 counts. Grapevine step together. Heels, toes, toe drop, restart, grapevine step together. Heels, toes, toe drop, toe drop, K-step with your quarter turn. Now your V step, go out, out, in, bump your hip twice left, twice right, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine step together. Heels, toes, toe drop, toe drop, toe drop, toe drop. K step forward, touch, back, touch, quarter turn, touch, side touch, V step out, out and in, bump your hip, left, right. At the end of this wall, you're gonna add on your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your second set of hip bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. Grapevine step together. Heels, toes, toe drop, toe drop, toe drop. Now your K step, 4 touch, back touch, quarter turn, touch, side touch, V step, out, out and in, bump your hip, left and right. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use a timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Take Me to the Left. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Well, I saw you setting the mood like a light in a smoky room, dancing to the blues like a disco groove, catching every eye. When I saw you looking at me with a smile like you wanted me, saying, boy, come on, well, I'll break, be gone, I just had to try. You just move.